Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Diana, for everyone that doesn't know me. And for today's video, I'm going to be attempting to do, or well, I guess you can already see that I did it, but I was trying to do that classic updo. My hair is really long, and most of the girls that pull this off normally have like shoulder length hair, but I really wanted to try out with long hair. So yeah, this is how it turned out, and if you want to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start off by brushing my hair out and making sure that there's no tangled. I want my hair to be as smooth as possible, and then I'm going to section off a front piece that I'm going to leave out, and you'll see what I do to it at the end. Next, I'm going to separate the hair that I'm going to tie up and the hair that I'm going to leave out, and make sure that that hair that I'm going to leave out is completely out of the way by securing it with a hair tie. Then taking this Toncho pomade. This is a pomade that comes on a stick, and I accidentally rolled mine up all the way. That's why mine is so tall, and it's one of those sticks that you can roll up as much as you want, but then afterwards you can't roll back down. So mine is kind of stuck like this. It's so embarrassing, but I've been keeping it in a Ziploc bag for over a month now. But yeah, I just got this on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. I really like it. I also have a pomade by Way, and that one's way more bougie, but it's just the convenience of it being on a stick is just so nice, even though mine is broken. But yeah, I'm just going to use that to really flatten out my hair here at the top and give it that sleek, sort of greasy look. I know it sounds kind of gross, but that's really what these hairstyles are all about. And yeah, just making sure that there's no flyaway hairs, and I'm just going to go in with my boar brush. I think that's what you call it. Hold on, let me get it real quick to make sure. Let's see what it's called. Oh, here it is. Okay, so mine, this brush is 100% boar, and it's from the brand Conair, which obviously everyone knows about Conair. Like, if you don't, I don't know what rock you've been living under. So yeah, I just use that to completely smooth out my hair. Moving on, I'm going to tie up my hair. First, I tie it with this regular ponytail. I think this is the common ponytail that everyone uses. But then I will go in with these thicker ponytails, just to have my ponytail have like a taller look to it. Once all my hair is up, I'm going to section off a piece of that ponytail and use it to wrap it around my ponytail to kind of hide the ponytails, and just, I feel like it looks more fancy and seamless this way. I'm going to make sure I'm smoothing it out again one last time with my boar brush. And then I'm just going to secure it in the back with a bobby pin. Now, normally when I do this type of style, I normally just tuck it back into the ponytail, and at the end of the video, I kind of regretted not tucking it in. I feel like, I don't know, to me, tucking it back into the ponytail just feels more secure than bobby pins. It might be because my hair is really thick, I don't know. But I kind of wish I would have done that, but this is still good. I think it's whatever is going to work best for you. Okay, so now that the ponytail looks good, I'm going to add kind of like a wave, like a voluminous big curl wave to the front piece of my hair and also to my ponytail. I think this is really what's going to bring the look together and make it very 90s / Bella Hadid nowadays. This new style, I don't even know what category this goes in. Is this a 90s look? I think it is, I'm not sure. but yeah. Alright, so this is the final result. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do I pull it off? Or should this hairstyle just be for short-haired girls? I don't know. I feel like it didn't come out exactly the way I wanted it to. Like, I think I imagined it with more volume. I think maybe next time if I try this look out again, I might curl my hair all the way. Like maybe like some big loose curls, but like all around. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. But yeah, let me know if you guys are gonna try this out, if you like this look on long hair, and if you want to see a ponytail next, because I think that might be a more long hair girl type of style, to just put it all up in a high ponytail with this sleek look. So I don't know, just comment down below what your thoughts are, and thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. I hit him up, I'm money, purple yin and